Nandini or Vishal, can you tell me how can I get the line numbers here in Linux? I want to get the line numbers. Anyone? Yeah, anyone? In the Linux, after opening a file, I want the numbers, line numbers, statement line numbers. How can I get those line numbers? Anyone? Nandini, are you there? Vishal?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Nandini.
By using hyphen n.
Hyphen N? Okay.
Hyphen.
Okay. No problem. Vishal, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah. How can I get line numbers in the Linux platform?
Using cat command.
Come again?
Using cat command.
Using
Cat command. CAT.
git command? No. Cat command? No. Simply you want to see the file content in the console, then you can see the cat command to see the file content. But I'm saying I want the line numbers. For suppose, okay, I will tell you why I'm asking this line numbers. For suppose if it is 100 lines of code, after run the code, you got the error at 99th statement. How you go there? Like simple, after opening, just insert mode aake is, don't do this na, it will take some time. If it is 500 lines of code, it will difficult to go to the 500 line number. That's why first of all, wait guys, what happened? Okay. For that, Nandini, as a fresher, I'm saying you just note down this statement. Whenever you want to get the line numbers, just you have to go to escape mode, then after colon, set space number. Got this? Set number. Then click on enter. With this, you will get this line numbers. Okay.